welcome to our channel. If you are a new Citizens Bank customer and need to log in to Citizens Bank online banking for the first time, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your online account. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Citizens Bank website. Look for the Sign In or Login button located in the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. On the login page, click on Enroll in Online Banking or Register for Online Banking. This option is for new users who have not yet created an online banking profile. Step 3. You will be asked to provide information to verify your identity and link your existing Citizens Bank account to your online profile. Enter your account number, social security number, date of birth, and zip code. Step 4. If you have a Citizens Bank debit card or credit card, you may be asked to provide the card number and expiration date for additional verification. Step 5. Choose a username for your online banking account. Your username should be unique and easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Step 6. Create a strong password for your account. Citizens Bank requires passwords to include a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Step 7. Set up security questions and provide answers. These questions will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to reset your account. Step 8. Review and accept the terms and conditions for online banking. Make sure you understand the policies regarding account access, security, and privacy. Step 9. Submit your enrollment. Citizens Bank will confirm your registration and may send a verification email or text message to your registered contact information. Step 10. Once enrolled, return to the Citizens Bank login page and enter your new username and password to log in for the first time. You can now view your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and manage your finances online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.